All right, so we're on the home stretch. We are on the last die, and basically we're setting up the taper crimp die for the 9mm. So what we want to do, you want to have on hand the round that we just set up, and we're happy with the length on it. And I'm going to take our crimp die, roll it into the machine, and for the most part, the easiest way to do this, just to get close, is to take your round of ammunition that you're happy with, that is already loaded. We're going to set it in the last station. I'm going to run this up. You don't want to have the crimp die too far down in the machine. What you're looking for is it to be still loose. You don't want it to contact that round of ammo. And then we're just going to turn it in until we make contact. You're going to feel it stop. All right, so we just hit the top of the case. What I'm going to do is lower the shell plate just a little bit. I'm going to turn it about 1/8 to 1/4 turn, set it back up, and then lock this die in place. And what we're going to do is take our test round that we have, and we're going to set it in number 5 here, run it up into the die, and you're not going to feel much resistance at all. And what you want to do is just examine this to see that the case is no longer belled. You're also going to need a case gauge to test it, to make sure that it seats all the way. It's not going to get hung up. And then another safe thing to do is take a case gauge, or a chamber checker rather, and drop it in there. And what you're looking for is a nice flat, easy to remove situation. So that's basically it. You can see the case is nice and straight. It's no longer belled. You don't need a crazy crimp on it. You just want something to hold the bullet so it doesn't get shorter, drop into the case. So that's it, guys. This is basically the setup you're going to need. It's super easy, super fast. Next thing we need to do is set our powder measure. So look forward to that video. And again, thanks for stopping by. Hit that sub button, give me a thumbs up, and stick around, guys.